Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu with our feed where we can gather interesting ideas. But from here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu, we have to tap on the little cog in the top right corner. Here in the pop-up list, we have to tap on settings. And then in the settings menu, we have to tap on notifications. And here we find the by push notifications. We tap on it, and then we can select the different kinds of aspects that we want to be notified by push notifications. Or we can just tap on turn off all, and then we won't get notified by push notifications at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.